Hello students of class 8, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 8 life science. The chapter what I will continue today is the health and the hygiene, and this video is part 4. Okay. So in the last video I have started with this name of the diseases and according to their positive agent, mode of transmission, their symptoms and the prevention. And today in this class I will continue this part. Okay, so today I will start with the malaria. So malaria is a well-known disease, is usually caused by the mosquito, we know. So the positive agent is Plasmodium virus. Okay, which is a protozoa. Now, the mode of transmission of malaria. Okay, so what is the mode of transmission? Through the bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. The malaria is usually transmitted by the Anopheles mosquito, like bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito, Anopheles, Anopheles mosquito. Okay, and what are the symptoms of this type of the fever? Like the parasite multiplies in red blood cells and destroy them. Alternate phase of chill and high fever repeatedly in the day of the 3rd and 4th. It continues the fever, sometimes it is very high and sometimes the fever is low. Okay, it usually continues for 3 or 4 days. Vomiting and severe headache, fever subsides the profuse sweating. Okay, so what are the high and low fever? High and chill phase of fever continues for 3 to 4 days. Secondly, also headache, vomiting, etc. Okay, so now what are the prevention of this disease? What are the preventions? Like preventing mosquito, using mosquito net, using the mosquito repellent oils, or that's mosquito repellent coils, etc. is very much needed. Prevent mosquito breeding by spreading insecticides and oils over water. When their open water are stored, the insecticide should be sprayed. Next, the using mosquito net while sleeping is very much necessary. Also, the using mosquito repellent cream and ointment is also necessary. The taking anti-malarial drug as a chloroquine is also necessary. So, the name of the anti-malarial drug is chloroquine. Okay, so by this I am completing this malaria part. Next I will start with the dengue. So for the dengue, the name of the positive agent is also a virus. Okay, which named Barbovirus. Okay, this is actually a virus. And the mode of transmission is here also it is the mosquito, but the name is different, the type is different. Here, through the bite of the infected, infected Aedes mosquito. Okay. Okay, here for the symptoms: high fever and severe muscle pain. High fever, severe muscle pain. Also, nausea, vomiting are common. Nausea, vomiting. Nausea means the feeling to vomit. Okay, they are very common. The platelet counts are go down rapidly. Okay, so the platelet count goes down below 20,000, and it is actually very dangerous. Okay. Next, the bleeding from gums, nose, brushings are very common things, and the prevention measures are almost same like the malaria and the chikungunya. The things are preventing mosquito breeding by spreading insecticides and oil in water coolers and the stagnant water. Business, the dengue mosquito, the Aedes mosquito actually give birth and in the fresh water. Okay. Do not let water stagnant in the broken bottles, pots, coolers, tires, etc. Next, wearing full sleeve shirt and the shocks to prevent the mosquito bite. Using mosquito repellent cream and ointment is also very much needed. And taking medicines to relieve symptoms is also an important part of it. And now, according to the diet part, the liquid diet and fluid diet, and also the coconut, which have the sodium potassium high balance, okay, is very much needed. So today I have discussed about this dengue and malaria, the two very important diseases actually caused by the mosquito. The next class I will continue with it, and the one more disease by the mosquito, transmitted by the mosquito, we will learn, which is chikungunya, and also we will talk about the AIDS. Okay. So enough for today. In the next class we will do that. Okay. Till then, thank you.